So here how you can make your windows transparent effect like this one glass effect. As you can see, my windows support glass effect. So when I open Microsoft Word, you can see we can see through this background. So how can we enable this? First thing, you have to search for Reg Edit, and you will get Register Editor. You have to open this, and yes for user control dialog box. Next, you have to go to current user. Then you have to go to software. Then you have to go to Microsoft. Then you have to go to Windows. Then you have to go to current version. And under current version, you have to search for themes, and here you have to go to personalized folder. On personalized folder, you have to click on enable transparency, and you have to set this value to 1, and you will get transparent effect. Next thing, if you want to do this with command prompt, uh, you have to right click on this, or you have to search for command prompt for cmd, and you have to right click on this, and of course you have to run this as administrator. So here you have to paste this command and hit enter, and it will enable the see-through effect. And if you want to disable this, then you have to type 0 instead of 1 and hit enter. Now you can see there is no see-through effect.